Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at Gus's Grill at the Marriott Key Largo Resort here in Key Largo, Florida. And there's a look at the hotel buildings from here. Just like the other elevators here, or most of the other elevators here, it's a Dover. See if it works. Okay, it looks like it does. I just heard it good. Here it is. Alright, let's get a look at the cab. Same modern redone cab like the other elevators. Interlock is over there. To 2. Here we are on 2. Let's go back down to G. Here we are on G. And there it goes. That will be it.